Hi, my name is Tom, and this is my 1961 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible, and it's got just about everything on it. It's got 8-lug wheels, it's got power windows, power antenna, it's got tri-power, factory tri-power, and a special option of factory bucket seats, which was very rare back then, and no console. It's a no console car. The top is white. And it's mostly original. I've had the car now since 2008, so take a look around and see what you like.
How's the car to drive?
The car drives like you're riding on air. It's just that smooth of a ride.
Sure. Look, and this is one thing about the Bonneville from this here. It's just how the dash looks. It's just
got a tissue dispenser.
And what do we have all going on here? Can you describe the...
Well, you got your headlights, and you got your windshield washers, and you got your radio controls, and you got the power antenna button.
There you go.
And it's got a buzzer on there to let you know how fast you're going, so you could back off. It's a speed warning buzzer.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That is so nice.
You could set that at any speed you want.
That is so nice.
And it's a 4-speed automatic transmission, hydromatic.
Right. Huh. And then and these are 3 or 4 inch white walls?
2.5-inch white walls on 8-lug wheels.
Look at that, look at that. And I've never seen curb fillers that were straight.
Yeah.
I've always seen them.
Yeah, that's another feature they had back then.